So we are at Barnwell ATV Off-Road Park in Gilmer, Texas. We are currently entering the park. We've also been down one trail so far. We're with my lovely wife Summer, Lisa, stepmom Carter, driving a little ATV in front of us there. And then up there, quite a bit of ways, is my dad. There's Wesley. We're gonna get him on here too. Anyways, he's excited. We also had a little crash course. We also had a little crash course of went down a weird trail.
Chaos Canyon.
We didn't know where we were going from the beginning, so we just kind of picked a trail that I thought was a good trail, and Summer said go with it and wanted me to go for it, and it was probably one of the hardest trails out here. I don't know what the trails or other trails are like yet, but it was pretty steep, and it just all of a sudden ended. So we had that little coincidence, had to get Wesley off so we can make it back up the hill and get out of there. But I wish I had all that in the video camera, and I know Summer does as well. Good times. We'll just have to keep that in our memories. But hey, you know, we're gonna have a little blast. You ready to ride, Wesley?
Yeah.
He's ready to ride. We're ready to ride. Kind of headed up. There's all kinds of little kids out here. We got some Jeeps, tons of Jeeps, four-wheelers, dirt bikes, mopeds. She's riding her little motorcycle out here. So we just went through a pretty awesome trail.
And where away?
Dad and Lisa and Carter turned around because it got pretty busy, and now starting to rain a little bit. Got a little rain on the windshield. Not too bad, but it's been a minute. It was right at the end of the trail. If they would have kept going for about another minute, we would have been at the end, but they decided to turn around. So we don't know. This is our first time here, but we made it through it, and we're just waiting on them to come back out this side over here. But it just started raining, and they aren't answering the phone right now, so we don't know what's going on. And we're just chilling here in the rain. Got anything to say?
Yeah.
What else is happening? What'd you do?
In the rain and sun, we rain and sun.
What you been doing?
In the rain and sun.
Is it partly cloudy?
Did you go running? I mean, did you ride?
No.
You didn't ride through that trail?
I went this way, you know. I go door water, you think.
No, really. Been riding?
Yeah.
Did you go through any mud?
I don't feel
The rocks?
the first summer they didn't like that.
Yeah. So basically what he's saying is there's a lot of rocks like that through the whole trail. And it's really bumpy, so he's having a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Anything else? You're quiet.
I don't know where our family members are.
Help! We're lost.
We're not lost, but we don't know where they are.
They're lost. But if we go in, then we might get lost. And then
They could have. What if
We
they're on
would've
the
been
way out?
lost.
They could be back at the cabin right now.
Yeah, they might be at the cabin,
And
but
we're just sitting here for no reason.
from what I saw through the whole trail, there was no other way out. So I think I might hear them a little bit right now. So
He said that about 10 times now. Oh, I hear them.
I do
Where they at?
hear engines.
There are hundreds of engines out here.
But it looks like it might storm. Is it gonna storm?
No.
Okay, I don't think it is either, but it will rain.
I don't know.
We are now back at the cabin. Let's see here. Right here. Pretty cool area. Here's the front office area, and this is our little cabin we get to stay in. Neat little area. Fire pits and boulders everywhere. Really cool. And then we got us a little table with a TV with the Mickey Mouse, fridge. Little Wesley up there on the top bunk, not standing up, of course. Then you got a little blankie. Mom and Dad spot. She's in the shower. But yeah, we waited around for a little bit. Started raining on us a while ago, and we decided, hey, we're just gonna go back up that trail. And we figured out there was another exit on that trail. We went down that, come out, went through some other trails, and then made it back to the cabins. And what do you know, my dad and stepmom and brother are all waiting there in the AC. So we waited all that time for nothing, but we were just having a good time. So we're gonna get showered up, go eat tonight, maybe ride a little bit tonight after that, and then we will try to do some riding tomorrow after we cook breakfast and eat. So we're pretty pumped up and excited.